What up, guys? I'm on Xbox right now. Yes, I'm on Xbox. Today got a little short video, chill video. I'm actually gonna go outside right now. My dad's outside. I'm gonna go pick up the motor, well, the block from the back of my house, and take it to my brother Spanky. He's gonna drop it off. He's gonna take it apart. Once he finishes taking it apart, I'm gonna bring it to full throttle and give him the money to send it out to go get CSS and everything. And the reason I'm not doing it myself is because I don't want to lose no bolts, and I don't have no really a spot to put it. So he's gonna be able to, he's gonna put everything, in the right spot for me. So I'm gonna go right into the backyard and get the motor. Oh, damn. Hey, what was going on, guys? So it's the next day. Dropped with the motor. Didn't really vlog that, just dropped it off. Should we get it taken apart this week, and then off to CSS. Right now I'm doing a quick radiator swap because guys, remember, oh, see, this thing is all banged up. Look at this big punch there. This is hit. I don't know, but it cracked from somewhere, whatever, and it was leaking on the way back from that race. So I'm just gonna swap out the radiator, take out the thermostat also while I'm here. I have to go get another thermostat. I don't even have another thermostat, but there's so much going on. This car is down. My dad's car blew his radiator also yesterday, so he's fixing that in the front, just like back and forth. And then my dad was using my CRV yesterday because his radiator blew. He brought my CRV back now. He's like, the brakes just started going to the floor. So started looking, and one of the brake lines that go all the way to the rear brakes is completely cracked. So all the fluid is just literally just coming out, and I'm pretty sure that's from snow, salt, driving the car. So I hate driving in the snow, but yeah, so I can't really tackle that today because there's so much going on. But thank God I got my big Jeep here. But yeah, so I'm gonna get the other radiator, put this on, change the thermostat, and I'm gonna just fill it up with antifreeze and bleed it another day because my window is literally right here, and I can't move these cars right now. So I'll just bleed it at the end of the day. As long as I know that the radiator and everything swapped, I'll be fine. So let's go get the other radiator. Got the new radiator right here. Regular aftermarket, and new cooler. I'm crazy, no Mishimoto, and they're all the same shit. But yeah, I'll go put this one on, and yeah, continue the progress. You guys want to see the leak? Look at the leak. Look, it's just dripping. It's literally dripping from right here. Look at it right there. That is because damn snow just makes everything get rusty. Oh man. All right, radiator's in. This is kind of weird, but I don't mind it for right now until I get a new one when the new motor goes in. But this is like painted, like powder coated or something, which is pretty awesome because that shit, when it's like chrome or whatever, polished, it gets fucking dull. So it's not bad. But yeah, basically the radiator's already in. Fan is hooked up. I had to cut the line, as you see. This is my power line to run the switch, but for now I had to cut it because there was no other way for me to take it out. So like I said, I'm not gonna bleed the car or anything now. Well, I don't know, maybe I'll just make it work. I don't know, but I'm leaving the lines off because I'm gonna take out the thermostat right now. Radiator's in, thermostat's in. Add cooler next time, bleed it, and oh shit, just hit my fucking head. and wire this up. Oh shit. What up, y'all? What's going on, guys? It's a couple days later. Well, it's been a while since I put out a video, but if you guys live in New York or anything like that, you guys know snow has been crazy. Let me just show you. My whole car cover was frozen. Let me just, it just goes to show you. Look at this. The whole car cover was frozen. So, haven't able. Look at this. It's all from my car. It's all frozen. It's good now because the weather is, the weather got better now. But look at all of this. Literally just frozen. This whole car was frozen. But yeah, I'm just gonna, can't really bleed the system or whatever. I don't have the coolant system. I'm just gonna put some coolant in and just leave it like that, and then probably tomorrow come and bleed the car. I don't have anything. I wasn't prepared for it. I didn't know today was gonna be a little bit better, so everything came off the car. So all I'm gonna do right now is literally just put antifreeze, and yeah, that's about it. Alright, so I just topped it off with some antifreeze. I'm obviously gonna need some more when I actually like start the car, warm it up. But you guys remember that power wire? I had to cut it to take out the fan. I had to reconnect it with some clips or whatever. There's gonna be like some detachable clips where you could detach them and put them on. But I need that. And I need a funnel for my dad's job because the funnel that I have doesn't work on this. So gonna get the funnel for my dad's job, and yeah, that's literally about it. Weather's actually good, like again, so all the snow came off. And I remember telling you guys I dropped off the motor. My builder has it now, so he's gonna he should be taking it apart hopefully this week and go through the whole motor, go through everything. And then I guess once everything gets disassembled, I'm gonna bring it back to my house. I gotta go to Full Throttle, ship it off from Full Throttle so they could do CSS, the bore, the decking, jet wash. They could do everything, clean it all up. Should be taking, I don't know, maybe it should take a little over a month. Then hopefully when I get the motor back, have my builder put all the parts on, the head, pistons, put everything, put the whole swap together. Yeah, and then just I guess take this one apart. Sell this one to my friend. Should be putting this one in his into his Civic. Yeah, I think that should be about it. Nothing really much. Like I said, it's cold. It's been a really cold winter. It's been snowing literally every single day. It snows and it stops, and it snows and it stops. So it's been taking a little bit of a toll on everything. My CRV right now is down because the brake line is broken. So I'm gonna see if I can get maybe one steel braided line so I can bring it from the front all the way to the back. I don't know if it's the left or the right brake line, which I have to check. But yeah, I have to go to Full Throttle for that also. So yeah, hopefully get back on pace, start driving this because these roads have been full of snow and I ain't trying to get stuck with this. So yeah, I think that should be it for now. Hopefully the weather gets a little bit better, bring more content, do more stuff. Definitely gotta work on the CRV. Still haven't even put the tires on the Civic. I'm still riding on these tires. But again, weather has been crazy. Haven't been able to drive the car. So yeah, hopefully weather gets good, things change, and we should be good. But yeah, guys, that should be it. So thank you guys again for watching. Sorry for the lack of content, but hey, I live in New York, winter, snow, all that shit plays a big part. So thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Build to enjoy. Peace out.